Other stuff is up beyond Solana. I'm currently trading fucking Bitcoin in fucking Bali, going on a hike. I can't tell if I've ruined my life or I've saved it. Eating watermelon out of a bag. What is my life going to? Yo, bro, say what's up, bro.
Yo, bro, what's up, bro? We meet again.
Yeah, bro. Where are we at? Yo, tell everybody where we're at right now.
Aling-Aling Waterfall.
Aling-Aling Waterfall.
This is like popular waterfall in Bali. You can jump 5 meter, 10 meter, and then like 50 meters.
Yo, are you gonna do the big jump?
Yeah, of course.
You are?
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
All right, if you do it, I'll do it.
You see? The water is like blue.
Shit. Bro, what's your name, bro?
Bobo.
Bobo.
Yes.
Bobo.
Oh, kita lihat yang pertama.
What's this one?
This is the activities for the activities.
Is this place called Fuck?
Yeah, this one. This is Kroya Waterfall.
Kroya.
For jump 5 meters and water slide.
Okay, but what's the last one called?
Pucuk.
Puchuk.
Yes.
Like
It's the
pucuk.
So this kembar means twin. Twin waterfall. For jump 10 meters. 10 meters level number 2.
Is it pretty?
And this we're gonna jump for 15 minutes.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So first we are going to Aling-Aling for take a picture. Because in Aling-Aling it's not allowed to swim.
We need
Only take a
we need
picture.
some fucking mosquito spray. They're just fucking me up right now.
I think you can, if you have mosquitoes.
Yeah, I have. Dude,
Welcome, bro. In
where
heaven.
did you even take me to? Too cool or what? Too cool or what?
Yup, ready?
Little butterfly, little butterfly, little butterfly.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm